Hi everyone, and welcome to week 4 of branding. I'm going to go ahead and take you through the content for the week and get you comfortable with the project. So you can see under module number 4 where to start with the introduction. So this week really what we're doing is we're continuing on with our logos. So everyone had submitted their logos to me. I gave you all feedback. You should have it if you submitted it on time. I think there's 1 or 2 people that might have submitted it late. You have to kind of wait a little bit. I'll get that when I can. Make sure you go back to the gradebook area and check the feedback from me. For the most part, you guys have a little video at the bottom of the submission, and you'll be able to get feedback from me on which specific logo to move forward with and any changes that need to happen before the next round, okay? So under the resources this week, you can go through them all. You'll see what the readings and videos are. Lots of stuff this week. The big thing this week is going to be the project. Let me go back to the assignment information. Okay, so you can read through the webpage parts that talk about the actual rubrics. Oof, I think I skipped ahead. So the assignment is called a logo mockup. Again, you're taking all the information that I just gave you and what to fix, you're revising it, and then you'll be applying it again on the next round of the logo mockups. Now I'm changing something a little different that you might notice when you read through the assignment might not be there. So when you click on it, you can read through the assignment. It talks about, last time we went through the digital sketches. Now you're revising them, and you're going to give me those revised logos, the direction that I asked you to go in, and you're going to be making that client feedback, okay? It's good practice for when you have a real client because they'll be giving you feedback on what direction to go in. So you can read through everything here. So now what you'll be doing is you'll be making a logo mock-up in Illustrator. So everybody, I think, worked in Illustrator just fine last round. But what I'm also going to have you do, you can read through all of this stuff here. It's telling you you're making 2 variations of the logo. You're going to have your black and white option, which is what everyone started with. And then when we're done with your revisions on that, you're going to have a color version. So 2 color versions. So it could be like gray and purple, orange and blue, like whatever 2 colors you think you're going to end up using for the color version. Ask yourself these questions. Does it work in black and white before applying color? If it doesn't work in black and white, it won't work in color. Is there enough contrast between the colors that you're choosing? And then read through all the information there. Okay, so what I'm asking you to do here is, this is kind of the important part, is yes, we're revising the logos, but I want you to apply it to something. Okay, so you're going to give me your variations of your black and white and your color logo, but I want you to mock it up into something. So I'm just going to show it on Behance. If you type in logo mockup, there's all kinds of situations where you can see where your logo would exist in a physical space. So what I want you to do is take your logos and pop it onto something, whether it's a template for a letterhead. A few of you actually picked your own brands, which I was super happy with, that you didn't go with the default. Where would this brand exist? Maybe it's on a coffee cup, maybe it's on a bag, maybe it's on a business card. So find some sort of logo mock-up or template and then place your logo in there to see what it would look like in a quote 3D space. Okay, like a screenshot is fine. So you'll be working on the black and white and the color version of your logo and then just placing it onto some kind of 3D space just to see like how it looks. Is it going to look good on a coffee cup? Does it look good on a shirt? It could be any substrate of your choice, but I'm just looking for you to apply it to something so that it can basically start to exist as a brand. Okay, and that's what we're going to be doing this week. All right, everybody have a great week and email me with any questions.